Are your legs feeling weak, stiff, or cramping for no reason? Especially if you're over 50, leg pain and cramps might not just be a sign of aging. They could be your body's way of crying out for essential nutrients. In this video, we're revealing the top 7 vitamins that strengthen your legs, improve circulation, prevent painful leg cramps, and keep you walking strong every day, especially for seniors. Stick with me till the end, because 6 and 7 are the most overlooked yet most powerful vitamins for leg health. As we age, our muscles naturally lose mass, bones weaken, and circulation slows down, leading to fatigue, soreness, and cramping in the legs. Many seniors also become deficient in key vitamins and minerals due to changes in diet, digestion, or medications. The good news? With the right nutritional support, you can reverse this trend, boost strength, and stay mobile for longer. Let's dive into the top 7 vitamins and minerals that are scientifically proven to boost leg strength and prevent cramp. Number 1, vitamin D. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin, and it plays a powerful role in keeping your bones strong and leg muscles working properly, especially as you age. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing fractures, particularly in your hips and legs. But its benefits don't stop at bones. Vitamin D also supports muscle function and nerve communication, which help prevent leg cramps, weakness, and poor balance. Seniors who lack vitamin D often feel tired legs, have slower walking speeds, or experience nighttime cramps. Natural sunlight is the best source, but as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D. That's why many older adults need to get it from fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified foods, or vitamin D3 supplements. In short, vitamin D is vital for strong legs, steady balance, and muscle support, making it one of the most important nutrients for senior leg health. Number 2, vitamin B12 for nerve strength and leg energy. Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping your nerves healthy and your legs energized. As we age, our body's ability to absorb B12 from food decreases, making seniors more likely to experience a deficiency, and the effects often show up in the legs. Low B12 levels can cause numbness, tingling, weakness, or even a heavy feeling in your legs, often mistaken for circulation issues or simple aging. B12 plays a key role in protecting nerve endings and supporting red blood cell production, which delivers oxygen to your leg muscles. Without enough oxygen, muscles can feel tired or cramp easily. It also helps maintain balance and coordination, which are critical for avoiding falls in older adults. You can get vitamin B12 from meat, dairy, eggs, or supplements, especially important if you follow a vegetarian diet or take medications that affect absorption. Simply put, B12 fuels both your nerves and muscles, making it a must-have for strong, steady, and pain-free legs. Number 3, magnesium, the cramp stopper. Magnesium is often called the cramp stopper because of its vital role in helping your muscles relax after contraction. A lack of magnesium is one of the most common causes of painful leg cramps, especially at night. For seniors, this can become a regular and frustrating issue that interrupts sleep and limits mobility. This powerful mineral also supports nerve function, blood circulation, and energy production, all essential for keeping your legs strong and active throughout the day. Without enough magnesium, your leg muscles can feel tight, twitchy, or fatigued, even with minimal activity. You can boost magnesium naturally through foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark chocolate. However, many older adults may need a gentle supplement, especially if they take medications that deplete magnesium levels. In short, magnesium helps your legs stay calm, flexible, and cramp-free, making it a key player in your daily wellness routine. Number 4, potassium, the electrolyte your legs love. Potassium is a vital electrolyte that helps your leg muscles contract and relax smoothly. When your potassium levels drop, you're more likely to experience sharp, sudden leg cramps, especially during the night or after light exercise, a common issue for many seniors. This mineral also helps maintain fluid balance and proper nerve signals, ensuring your leg muscles get the hydration and communication they need to function properly. Low potassium levels can make your legs feel weak, shaky, or stiff, and may even affect your balance. Foods rich in potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, oranges, avocados, and coconut water. It's especially important to replenish potassium if you're taking diuretics or experiencing frequent dehydration, as these can flush it out of your system. In short, potassium keeps your leg muscles hydrated, strong, and cramp resistant, making it a must-have mineral for daily leg support. Number 5, calcium, the structural support for strong legs. Calcium is best known for building strong bones, but it's just as important for keeping your leg muscles and joints functioning properly. As we age, calcium loss from bones accelerates, especially in seniors and postmenopausal women, increasing the risk of leg fractures, joint pain, and mobility issues. Calcium doesn't just strengthen bones, it also helps muscles contract efficiently. Without enough calcium, your legs may feel weak, shaky, or cramp-prone. This mineral also supports healthy communication between nerves and muscles, which is essential for coordination and balance. Great dietary sources of calcium include dairy products, leafy greens, almonds, sardines, and calcium-fortified plant milks. For many seniors, pairing calcium with vitamin D helps the body absorb it more effectively. Calcium provides the foundation your legs need to stay strong, stable, and supported as you age. Number 6, vitamin C for muscle repair and blood flow. Vitamin C is often praised for boosting immunity, but it also plays a crucial role in leg health, especially when it comes to muscle repair, blood circulation, and joint support. As we age, our muscles take longer to recover, and vitamin C helps speed up that process by supporting the production of collagen, the protein that keeps muscles, tendons, and blood vessels strong and flexible. Good circulation is key to healthy legs, and vitamin C enhances it by keeping your blood vessels elastic and functioning well. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles, helping reduce fatigue, soreness, and inflammation. It also supports iron absorption, which is vital for delivering energy to your muscles and preventing weakness. You can get vitamin C naturally from citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and kiwi, all easy additions to your daily meals. Vitamin C helps keep your legs energized, well-nourished, and quick to recover, making it a must-have for seniors who want to stay active and pain-free. Number 7, vitamin K, the silent leg protector. Vitamin K may not get much attention, but it plays a powerful and quiet role in keeping your legs strong and your circulation healthy. This vitamin helps direct calcium into your bones, not your arteries, which means it strengthens your leg bones while preventing arterial stiffness that can reduce blood flow to your muscles. Poor circulation in the legs often leads to fatigue, cramping, and muscle weakness, especially in seniors. Vitamin K supports healthy blood vessels, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. It also works with other nutrients like vitamin D and calcium to keep your bones dense and durable. You can find vitamin K in leafy greens such as kale, spinach, collards, and broccoli, or in supplement form, especially K2 for better bone benefits. Vitamin K quietly protects your legs from the inside out, keeping your bones strong and your blood flowing, so you can stay mobile and active with confidence. Signs of vitamin deficiency in your legs. Have you been experiencing frequent leg cramps, especially at night? Or maybe your legs often feel heavy, weak, or sluggish, even after minimal activity. These could be more than just signs of aging. They may be your body's way of signaling a vitamin or mineral deficiency. Other warning signs include tingling, numbness, or a loss of balance, which often point to poor nerve health. Some people also report muscle tightness or joint pain that just won't go away. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, it's time to take a closer look at your nutrition. Your legs might be crying out for the 7 essential nutrients we've just covered, and making the right changes could mean the difference between struggling and walking strong. Taking care of your legs doesn't have to be complicated. It starts with giving your body the right nutrients every single day. The 7 vitamins and minerals we've covered in this video aren't just helpful. They're essential to keeping your legs strong, mobile, and pain-free as you age. If you've been dealing with cramps, weakness, or balance issues, now is the perfect time to take action. Start by reviewing your diet, talking to your doctor about any possible deficiencies, and considering supplements if needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tips on senior health and wellness. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you experienced leg cramps or fatigue? What worked for you? Share your story in the comments below. Your advice might help someone else.